Make sure you're comfy with your head and neck. Maybe even you have lots of neck and shoulder tension, or you have a hyperkyphosis, so really rounded back. Just get something underneath your head, slightly tucking your chin to your chest so your neck is long. So we start in neutral position. Activate your powerhouse. Arms long by your side. Extend the right leg up. We're going to start with single leg circles. Inhale. You pull the right foot towards the left shoulder. Down. And exhale, circle right and back to center. Inhale. Diagonal, pull the leg towards you. Lower down. And exhale, finish the circle over the side. Turn, return to starting position. Maybe you want more. Then extend the left leg on the floor. The goal here is to keep the pelvis stable. Give me 4 more rounds like that. The bigger the circles, the more intense it will be. And when you've done the last circle, of course, reverse. Inhale, open to the right side. Exhale, cross your body's midline and pull the right foot towards the left shoulder. Can be bend the left leg or extend it. Maybe put your hands into the pelvis so you're not wiggling around here. Press the left foot or the left heel firmly into the ground. Finish your last circle. And then meet me in the starting position. Bend the left leg again and imprint your spine. So lower back is kissing the mat, is grounded. From here, inhale, lower the leg and pull it towards you. Exhale. And inhale. The next round is about elasticity. So I want to push you to your max here. We want to create a stretch, 100% intensity. So 8 rounds in total, and really push the leg towards you. Let's go. 8 and 7. Throw the leg towards you. Right butt cheek heavy. Pressing the arms into the floor. Oh, I forgot to count. I think there are 3 more left. 3, 2, 1. And bring the right leg down onto the ground. The left leg as well. Whew. Just feel, observe the difference here between right and the left leg. Maybe the right leg is a little bit longer. Of course, we will take care for the other side as well. We're here for balance and harmony. So let's bring back the feet onto the ground, hip width apart. So start with neutral. Neutral means you have a little bit of space underneath your lower spine, your lumbar spine. Try to keep that. Try to keep your pubic bone parallel towards the floor. Find the powerhouse. Extend the left leg up to the ceiling. Start with the single leg circles. Inhale, pull the left foot towards the right shoulder. Circle down. Exhale, finish the circle over the left and back to center. Inhale, cross the body's midline. And exhale, finish the circle. Maybe you want to extend the right leg. Breath is helping you. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Imagine blowing out a birthday candle. 4 more. Shoulders heavy. And make sure the pelvis is not rocking around. Maybe you want to bring your hands onto the pelvis. And then stop and reverse. Maybe you want to bend the right leg again. You still have that natural lordosis underneath your lower back. so there's still a little bit of space underneath your spine, your lower part of your spine. Ooh, this is tough core work. Give me 3 more of these. Lengthen your leg, lifting the leg out of your hip. Arms are helping you. Press the arms down. And then slowly return back to starting position. Bend the right knee again. And now pull the belly in and tuck the tailbone under slightly. Lower spine is kissing the floor. So from here, exhale, lower. Inhale, lift and pull the leg towards the body. All right, we are warmed up here. So again, we want to push ourselves to our maximum. It's about elasticity, about a strong stretch. We want to improve the flexibility. Last 2 like this. And then, still with control and power, let's go for 8. Swing the leg towards you. 7, 6. Keeping the pelvis heavy, enjoying the stretch in the hamstrings. 3 more. 2. And 1. And then bring the leg down, the second as well. Whew. And maybe you can feel tingling in the toes, in the legs. Some warmth. That's what we create with elasticity work. We create energy, warmth, improving the elasticity. From here, bring both knees in towards your chest and just start with a few bounces here. So knees towards your chest and release. Feeling your body here, moving and gliding from within. Yeah, I think here you really can feel the fascia system. And then slowly stop that bounce and bring the legs together, hands on top of your thighs. Keep that imprint position, so we need the powerhouse again. And then open the legs into tabletop. Keep the lower spine grounded. And then exhale, stretch the right leg, press against the thigh with the left hand. Inhale, return and switch to the other side. Slightly tuck your chin to your chest. Keep the neck long. Visit each side one more time. And then keep both legs into tabletop and lift head and shoulder blades off the mat. So we have a chest lift. And now press the thighs against the hands and vice versa. Final power in the whole body. Press, press, press. Hold and breathe for 8. And 7. 6. Feeling the fascia network. Power in the whole body. Last. 4, 3, 2, and drop the feet. Extend the legs. Dropping the toes outwards. Hands on the belly. Maybe close your eyes.